Hi there, it's Ina here and welcome to my art room. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel, and please push the bell icon so you will receive notification of all my regular uploads. So I started with a small canvas board and played around with some watered down acrylic paints. I wanted to use my alcohol to create some splatter and so on. At this point, I really didn't have a plan of what I was going to do with this canvas, but sometimes you just have to start creating a background and then your ideas will come. So as you can see, the alcohol leaves some nice round designs. I add a second color, I do the alcohol again, and of course there are many different ways where you can create this very abstract background, but alcohol is always a good choice. And a third color, and this time I decided just to sprinkle some water over it and pick up the excess with a paper towel, which leaves a different effect. And I think at this point I should have stopped, but then I went on to the point of no return because I kept spraying and adding colors, sometimes water, sometimes alcohol, used my paper towel to remove the excess until I get to the point where my canvas was rather colorful, maybe a little darker than I had originally planned. And then, well, then I set it aside because I had no idea what to do with it. So after it sat on my shelf for a couple of weeks, I took it down and added a coat of Mod Podge to protect the background, because now I can work on it, and if I make a mistake or don't like something, I can easily wipe it off. So I start by creating a focal point, because to me it's an important part in any type of art. Now, because my background is so colorful, I decided at this time to do a silhouette painting. And even if you're not an experienced painter, you can definitely do this. I picked very simple designs of flowers and grasses. You can find images of those type of silhouettes online. They're very easy to copy. You can let your imagination go wild. There's really no right or wrong. And I think the black stands in nice contrast to this very bright moon or sun, whatever you want it to be, and the very colorful background. So as you saw, I started with a layer of gesso, 2 different colors of acrylic paints, a little sponge to blend it out, and now I go on to use a fine brush with black acrylic paint. So my objective is to make this quick and easy, fun and relaxing, so I use very basic strokes, and even though I speed up my process quite a bit, I think it will be very easy for you to follow. So please enjoy, and I will talk to you towards the end. So here's another look at my little completed canvas. Now, of course, the glossy Mod Podge made it really nice to the touch. It also intensified the colors, especially the black. Now, just like I mentioned earlier, simple silhouettes like these are very easy to do. And I think when they get added to a very colorful background, they make really nice gifts on canvases or even on cards. So I hope you took away some ideas from this little video. Thank you so much for coming. I will see you really soon again, and bye bye for now.